How to clear conversation on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear conversation on Snapchat easily. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your avatar. Now go to the top here again and click on the settings. Now after you click on settings, all what you have to do is just scroll down until you find the clear conversation option. Click on it, click on clear conversation, and right here you will be able to clear the conversation. As you can see, this is one of my conversations. Click here and click clear. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.